Very good morning. So today we'll see problems on circular lamina. Let us see that problem. So I'll take this problem. A circular lamina of 50 diameter is standing with one of its point on the rim on HP, and the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP. The diameter at right angles to the diameter which is passing through the point on which the lamina rest is parallel to VP. Draw its projection. So this is the given problem, and this is a circular lamina. He says the diameter is 50 and also he states that is resting on HP with one of its point on the rim. Means one of its points on the circumference is resting on HP, and lamina is inclined. The surface of the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP. And with respect to VP, he says that the diameter at right angles to the diameter passing through the point on which lamina rests parallel to VP means. So draw its projection. So this is the given problem. So let us see how to solve this problem. So I'll go to a line. First we draw XY line, indicate VP, HP, and XY line. Go to line and select a thin line. Let us draw an XY line like this, horizontal line. So mark VP and HP and XY. So go to text, and times Nero. Font size is 3.50. Let's mark XY and VP and HP. I'm marking XY, VP and HP. So this is my X and this is my Y. This is my vertical plane and this is my horizontal plane. So now let us construct a circle. Since it is a circular lamina of diameter 50 so I'll construct a circle. So go to circle, it is visible, make thickness is 0.50. So let us construct one circle. Somewhere here of diameter is 50 Just enter diameter is 50 and automatically radius will become 25 So now I'll place this rectangle somewhere here. So I'll place the circle somewhere here for my reference point. This is my reference. So let us measure what is the diameter of this circle. So go to small dimensions. Just measure it. The diameter is 50 So which is given 50 diameter. And now the next step is very important. So we need to divide the circle into equal number of parts. Let us take, I will divide into 8 equal number of parts. So how to divide the circle into 8 equal number of parts? So now I go to line, just select a thin line. Let us construct one diameter, one radius line. Say this is my radius, and I will extend this line till this point. So we have an option called extend, or I will go to extend option. Let us see where is extend. Or else you construct a line, one more line from. I construct the line from here to here. So I constructed one horizontal line. So this is my diameter. Okay. So now I will divide the circle into 8 equal number of parts. How to divide it? First select this line and go to rotate option. Go to rotate option and switch on copy. Step angle make 45 degree. Just press enter and select the center of rotation. See, this is my center of rotation. I'm rotating this one. I'm rotate like this. See, initially is 45. Step angle 45, rotation angle is 45, and position angle is 45. Next, just change the mouse cursor like this. This 45, this is 90 degree. Next, change the mouse cursor, center. Next, 45, this 45, this is 135. It will take automatically. Okay. Now close it. So now I Divide the circle into 8 equal number of parts. Say this 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, back side is another 4. So next, go to naming. So go to text, and font size is times 0, 3.50. So let us A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, this is F, E, and H. So this is my point A on the circumference of the circle, point B. This is my point C. This is my point D. This is my point E. This is my point F. This is my point G. This is my point point H. Now let us draw vertical projection lines. Let us draw vertical projection line to get different view. So go to line. Line thickness is a very thin line. From corner A, draw projection line. From corner B, draw vertical projection line. It will also pass us through point H. From corner C, draw vertical projection line. It will pass us through. It also passes through point G. From D, draw vertical projection line. It will pass us through point F. From E, draw vertical projection line. It will pass us through vertical projection line from point E. Now let us complete the front view. Go to line. Thickness is 0.50. I'm joining from here to here, then from here to here, here to here, and here to here. I'll draw the line like this. Now go for naming. Let's go for naming. I'll go to text, times 0 and 3.50. Say this corner is A dash. Say I zoom that area just for my reference. Let us zoom this area. And go to text, times 0 and 3.50. So this is my A dash, B dash of H dash, B dash of H dash, and this is C dash of G dash, C dash of G dash, C dash of G dash, and D dash of F dash. This is my D dash of F dash, and last one is E dash. So it is E dash. So now this is my A dash. Just rearrange the terms. This is my A dash, and this is my B dash of H dash. This is my C dash of G dash. This is my D dash of F dash, and this is my E dash. This is my E dash. Okay, so I completed the first position. So now let just fit the sheet. So now go to the second position. So in the second position, the lamina is inclined at 45 degree to HP. So that's the inclination is given with respect to HP. So let us go to move option. Copy should be on. Select this front view. Select point A and place it anywhere on XY line at convenient distance from first position. Now go to draw, go to rotate, and select the element to rotate. I am rotating this. Select the start point of the rotation is A dash. Rotating this one, and rotation angle is just enter rotation angle. Don't enter step angle and position angle. Rotation angle is 45, and automatically you will get position angle is also 45 degree. And remember, copy should be off. I'll rotate. Select the element to rotate. Auto rotate. Switch off the copy. Select A dash, and I'm rotating this one. Select E dash. Enter rotation angle is 45. Just then press hit the enter button and make position angle is also 45. Hit enter button. So this is front view in the second position. So let us okay. Okay, let's draw the projection lines. So go to line thickness 0.10 and just measure the angle. What is this inclination angle? So go to angle between. Angle between, measure this and this. Should be 45, which is given in the problem. So go to line thickness, select a thin line. See from A dash and here till A dash, you need to draw the projection line. Then where is B dash? B dash is here. B dash and here B dash projection line. B dash projection line. Then go to C dash. This is my C dash, and here C is this is C dash and C. Then go to D dash endpoint, and here is this is my D. This is my D. It should be exact vertical 90-degree line. This is my D. Then go to E dash, and this is my E. E dash and E. Then go to F dash. This is my F dash, and this is so I go to F dash, select a line. F and F dash is here, right here. This is my F dash. Go to G. G and G dash. So the G dash is here. H and H dash. This is my H. H dash is here. Till here we are getting H dash and A dash. Now let us draw one ellipse. Just zoom this. Okay, I will go to ellipse. Ellipse by center. This is my center. Look at the sign showing intersection point, and this is the end point. And this side, this is my end point. So I constructed an ellipse. I join all the points. It is visible. Make it thick. Now go to naming. Go to text. Times New Roman 3.50. Just first let's type the letters B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now rearrange the terms. This is my A. This is my B, intersection point B. This is my point C, and this is my point D. Then this is my point E. Then this is my point F. This is my point G. This is my point H. So I completed the second position. This is now fit the sheet. So I completed the second position of a circular lamina. Now we need to draw the third position. So let us draw the third position. Let us see the conditions, VP conditions. See in this problem, the diameter at right angles to the diameter which is passing through the point on which lamina is rest. See here corner A. See in this case, point A, or we can say point A on the circumference of the lamina is rest on HP. So identify the right angles, which is a right angle. Identify the diameter at right angles to the diameter. So for this diameter, this is the for A, corner A, E will be the opposite side. So E should be parallel to VP, or we can say the diameter at right angles to the diameter which is passing to the point. Say for this point, for point A, the right angle's diameter is CG. Now CG should be parallel to VP. So that condition is given. Okay. So in the next condition, I will select, say here CG. This is the diameter. This is the diameter for point A. Okay, for point A, CG is the diameter at right angles to the diameter which is passing through the point on which the laminar rust is parallel to VP. So now I will keep CG will be parallel to XY line. CG will be parallel to XY line. So now in the next step, say I'll select this one. I'll select the complete top position. And if you go to move option, just go to move option, make copies on. And if you move somewhere here, and if you tell this one, it is so in this case it is very difficult to identify where is point C on the circumference, where is point D, where is point E, because we can't able to identify the intersection point for A, B, C, D, all those things. So for that I will not use this method. I'll go to another methods. The another method is first select. See here, go to inside and overlapping option. So here, go to inside and overlapping option is we are selecting inside and overlapping elements. And now select this complete top view. Go to move. Copy should be on. Just select. You can keep somewhere here and trim the unwanted lines. So I'll go to trim. I'll trim these lines. I don't want these lines. Just trim it. Unwanted lines. Trim all unwanted lines. I'm trimming all unwanted lines. So in this case, we can easily identify where is point A, where is point B, intersection point, point C on circumference, D, E, F, G, and H. Okay. So now, next step is I will go to move option. I go to move option. Just switch off this copy and select this element. Select this element and select point E. Just select point E and place point E on XY line. On XY line. So then go to rotate. Go to rotate. Copy should be off. Select this again. This complete element. So now I am rotating this one. I'm select point E and select this A and I'll rotate like this. Should be 90 degree. Okay. Now look at diameter CG is parallel to VP. Diameter CG. So the condition is diameter at right angles to the diameter which is passing through the point on which lamina is rest. See for point A, lamina is resting on point A. For point A means diameter is AE. For AE diameter, opposite diameter, or you can say right angle diameter is CG. That CG should be parallel to VP. So that condition is given in the problem. Now complete the remaining steps. Just draw projection lines and try to get the front view in the third position. So I'll zoom that area. I'll zoom this area. Now go to line, select thin line. See here A dash. Where is A? Point A is here and A dash is here. Okay. Then go to B dash. B is here. Let's draw the projection lines. See from B dash, I'm drawing projection lines. Or else you can do it like this. B and where is B dash? B dash. B dash. B dash. Then go to C. Just select C and where is C dash? C dash is here. C dash. C dash. Then go to D dash. This is my point D and D dash is here. This is my D dash. D dash. Next go to E. This is my E and this is E and this is my E dash. Next go to F. This is my F and this is my F dash. Then go to G. This is G and this will be the G dash. This will be the G dash. Okay. And H. This is H and this is H dash. Now let's join all the points using spline. So here we have an option called go to curve. Go to curve. Go to curve. Select all the intersection points. Here A dash. I'll pick A. Then B dash. B dash. C dash. D dash. E dash. F dash. Then G dash. Then H and H dash. Then E dash. So we need to switch off relationship handles and do it. Just switch off maintain relationship and go to curve. Just select the points. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and E endpoint. Okay. You need to switch off relationship, then after that you can switch on relationship. So maintain relationship. Now this is visible, make it dark. So I'll go to select the line and make it thickness is 0.5. Next, go for naming. Go for naming. It should be here. So next one is A dash B dash. Go to text. Font size is 3.50 and times 0. So let us take A dash and B dash, C dash, B dash, B dash, F dash, B dash, H dash. So this is my A dash. Yeah, this is my A dash. This is my B dash. This is my C dash. This is my D dash. This is my E dash. Yeah, this is my E dash. This is my F dash. This is my F dash. This is my G dash. This is my H dash. So now I fed the sheet. I fed the sheet. So this complete a circular lamina resting on HP. So thank you so much for watching my video.